really enjoyed FASHOM, so I am happy to be giving a positive review today. So they will curate a selection of items after you fill out a quiz all about you and what you like and your sizes and all of that stuff. They will curate a selection of items and you will pick the ones that you want to try on at home in your profile, which I like, especially if you like a little bit more control. You get to choose the items. They'll send them to you. You get to try them on. If you love them, keep them. You'll get a discount for keeping a certain amount of items, and if you hate them, send them back. It's free to send them back, and the styling service only costs 15 bucks. So I like the idea of them just picking some items and sending them to you, and you can try them on at home like I'm y'all's girl, okay? And it's super affordable, so yes. And I do like that with this box they actually had different tiers that were a little bit more reasonable. So they had a $20 to $40 range, which is what I selected. Okay, I don't like spending a lot of money on my clothes. I just really don't. I just don't want to spend a lot of money. So I like that they had that lower tier option. And overall, again, I had a positive experience. I'm going to show you the items, but my stylist really listened to me, and that speaks volumes, you guys. She really listened to the little blip I said where I like wearing red. I live in Arizona. I like lightweight, you know, flowy items. I work from home, so I don't need like corporate attire. So I really like that. So without further ado, let's get into the review. Okay, so for my items that I show you, I'm going to kind of go in order of middle range, didn't hate or love it, then I'm going to show you my absolute favorite, and then my least favorite. So this is the first one that I have for you. So this is kind of a middle range. I don't hate it, I don't love it. I'm not too much of a floral girl myself. I'm just not ever quite a fan of florals. This is actually a really pretty one. If I had to pick one, this is kind of along the lines that I would go with because it is a darker tone and richer tone floral than kind of like a pastel moment, but I would definitely have to spice it up with a black leather skirt and maybe some knee-high boots, something like that to wear out, because just wearing this with like jeans would just not be my vibe at all. So probably not going to keep this one, but it is really cute and it's very comfortable. It is also very light, which is really great for Arizona. And I did actually like that it is a longer shirt, so it would cover, you know, your bits if you were to just wear some leggings with it. So it's a cute top, but just not for ya girl. Okay, next item is this top. So I didn't love or hate it either. I do like it though, actually. I'm like, I do like it, however, it is a little too like boxy and kind of structured with the collar and everything. It doesn't feel very feminine. Like I don't feel like sexy or like any kind of way in this top, so that's the only thing that I didn't quite gravitate towards. The colors are awesome, the print is awesome, it's loud, it makes a statement. I love clothes like that, and my stylist really listened to me in that regard. I said I love to wear red, and she provided me a red item to wear. So I would probably do the same thing and spice it up with like a leather skirt, probably different kind of shoes than the knee-high boots, something like that, and then I would probably tie it up like this and do something along these lines, or with like a pair of black high-waisted jeans, something to just kind of spice it up and make it feel like a little cuter. And I feel like with the right outfit or with like the right person and their style and vibe, this could be a winner. Okay, so this is the next item that I have. Again, this is kind of a middle range item for me. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a stunning dress. It really is so pretty with the colors. I do like the colors. I like the way it fits. It feels amazing. I like that it has the attached belt to create kind of like a cinched waist. It's just not my vibe. Like, the dress is gorgeous, and I think for the right person it would be so pretty for a brunch or a bridal shower or, you know, a day date or church or anything like that. The options are obviously endless to where you could wear something like this because it is so pretty. It's just not my vibe. I know that if this was hanging in my closet I wouldn't go for it, but I really do like it. So I think for the right gal, it's gonna be perfect. But for me, it looks amazing on, and when I see it like kind of back in the video, I'm like, oh, that's really pretty, but I just know I'm not gonna go for it. But it was a good option from the stylist. Again, I do like trying things that I wouldn't normally go for. Girl, this is the next item, and I am so here for this skirt. So yes, it is the skirt. It is not this plain little top. I am wearing a black sports bra underneath, so if you can see that, That's what it is. Apologies. But this skirt is gorgeous, you guys. I really love the fact that my stylist did listen to me when I gave her my tips on things for my style. I mentioned that I live in Arizona, it's super hot, and I want lightweight things. She definitely gave me a lot of lightweight and summery, hot Arizona pieces, and this is one of them, and it is so, so beautiful, you guys. Like, look how flowy and like, ooh, girl, I just feel like, ooh, it's just so pretty. I'm here for this skirt. I love this skirt. I'm definitely going to keep this one, so yay! Wah, wah, wah. So this is the last item that I got in my box. I thought that they were going to be cute. I have a similar style pair of shorts. They are the same color, the chambray kind of color, but they have like the paper bag like waist where it kind of like frills out and has like the tie, if that makes sense. And that I much prefer. These are just unfinished shorts. And they don't go high enough. So if it's unfinished with this waistband, because I wouldn't just wear that waistband out, that's just my personal opinion, I would want it higher waisted so I can tuck something in and have it flowing over. But I couldn't figure that out. It just didn't look right. I kind of get this weird like cinch effect here from trying to pull them up. So I don't like where the waistband sits. A for effort, because again, they're a short, they are cute, they have a little something extra. It is hot in Arizona, so I can never have enough shorts. It's just, they just didn't do it for me. I look like I have like a fupa, you know? It's just not a fan. So this is my least favorite item. I will definitely be sending this one back, but you know, I tried them. I tried everything on in the box, and that's important. Even if you don't think you're gonna like something, just put it on. It's not gonna hurt. Just throw it on. Even if you're like, oh my god, I hate this color, you never know. So I did try them on. It's just not a fan of these shorts. They are cute, I think, again, for the right person or something. I think if you had a shorter torso, maybe they would sit better. But yeah, not gonna keep these ones. Alright, you guys, that is it. That is my try-on haul of the FASHOM subscription box. I overall had a really enjoyable experience, and I definitely say give them a try. This subscription box for the fashion subscriptions, this one listened to me the most out of any that I've tried, and I really, really appreciate that. That goes and speaks volumes for the service itself, right? Because you're paying them to style you, not to just style a bunch of people and give them all kind of like the same thing, which I know happens with other boxes. So I really, really suggest giving them a try. It's 15 bucks, and you know, I always say at least do like 2 or 3 boxes, because they might not know your style right away, but they'll start to learn your style as they style you. So you have to give them a fair shot in that aspect. So I would definitely say at least do like 3 boxes, and then if you're like, you know what, they're just not getting it, which I don't think will be the case, you can, you know, make a decision. But I think overall I had a really enjoyable experience, and I would highly suggest giving them a shot.